Hey guys, did you just saw the Moody Burgundy mini album and did you like it? Do you want to make exactly the same? Then this is the kit for you guys. So of course this big pile of papers is in it. So there are 78 sheets, 12 double-sided, plus the cover had also a nice background. And then look at this big pile. This is in your kit everything I used. One set of papers I have left making this album, so you still can make mistakes, so that is not an issue. You will have enough papers. Then what else is inside? Of course, 3 nice pieces of 2mm chipboard is inside. There are 4 of these plastic bags where I made the protection sheets with. There is a little welcome note, just a little welcome, and there is of course these 2 little plastic bags where I made these 2 flippable pages with. Of course there is this gorgeous bookbinders linen that I used for the spine. There is the ribbon set, of course, the flowers set, and all the metal pieces that you need for this project is inside. There is only one thing that's not inside. That is the black cardstock that I used, the basic cardstock that I used for this project. That's not included. For the rest, everything is inside. So check it out. Go to my website, go to my email and just send me an email, guys, and check out your kit, the Moody Burgundy. Tell me also where you live, in which country, so I can calculate right away the shipping costs for you guys. So send me an email. The email is to be found under every video, so just send me an email and ask for the kit. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.